Hello everyone, welcome to this session of ZWCAD where we will understand to create points using Excel or TXT data in the NEZ format. So I already have points here in Excel where I can see N means northing, easting, and Z is representing the elevation. So I need to create the points directly by using this data. So first of all, I just need to copy. Make sure that your point is in this format, that is 0 comma 0 comma 0, where these are representing like north, east, and z. Copy here. Then in zwcad we just need to start point command. You can start the point tool directly, else you can choose the multi-point here because these are the multiple points. So you need to make sure that you are using the multiple points command, and then right click here in the command window area, choose paste. You will see the points will be generated automatically. You want to see because I have the points in z axis as well. You can simply go there, click on the home tab, or maybe the elevation view. You can see the points are created with respect to the elevation value they have. And in case you want to define their coordinates, we can extract the information with the coordinate extraction, or in case I want to show the coordinates on screen, from annotate I can use enhanced ordinate. Start selecting the point and then place it on your screen where I'm getting the east and north coordinates. You just need to pick and then place. So this is a quick approach where we can utilize our existing data to generate the points in CWCAD. Thank you so much.